Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best shears and scissors that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Shears and Scissors. Whether you just need to trim up your latest haircut at home to make sure you look you're opening your very own shop with hopes of styling hair professionally, you have only the top hair cutting shears on hand. Kick your hairstyling game up a notch by only having the best on hand. Number 5. Heil JHG 8 inches bypass steel pruning shears with scissors. The pruning shears are very sharp. Crafted of high-carbon steel with ultra-fine polishing technology is strong and abrasive resistance, the blades will stay sharp for a long time. Main features: non-slip handle, long track blades, premium material. Number 4. Gonic 8 inches professional ratchet anvil pruning shears and scissors. The highest standards and gives you precision on each cut. Ideal use for light branches of trees, rose bush, shrubs and hedges. Main features: made of chrome vanadium steel, lightweight and comfortable, ergonomic design. Number 3. Sanung 2-pack pruning shears garden trimmer scissors. Therefore, we are very happy to recommend our pruning shears to you. It is made of very strong and tough material, allowing you to trim the branches and smoothly. Main features: high elastic spring, non-slip PVC handle, safety lock design. Number 2. Gonic 8 inches professional sharp bypass pruning shears. Ideal for deadheading, trimming, shaping on tree, roses, annuals, vegetable, flower gardens, bonsai and other plants. Ultrafine polishing technology. Main features: made of high carbon steel, ergonomic non-slip handles, lightweight and comfortable. Number 1. 3-pack garden pruning shears blades pruners set. These garden shears have locking mechanisms to keep the sharp blades securely closed. It is easy to maneuver and can effectively reduce accidental injuries. Main features: rust-resistant steel blade, anti-slip and ergonomic handle. Widely used. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.